Perfect, thank you. Excuse me, sorry, can I just get right here? Thank you. Yeah. No, that's fine. Thank you, too. Thanks, security boys. You gotta get some melt water, too. And keep the packaging. Take them back like that. You gotta wash them out first. And then clear this out, too. Already gotten in place. Might have to hit a bush or something, cause keep it out. Fresh water. Go back to somebody else for you. Water for the week. That's primal water for y'all.